you've come from the software industry, very creative, but generally, if it is logically right, it adds up. Here in the film industry, it may not add up, it may add up. In the sense, you may do everything logically, but the film could work, could not work. So, how frightening is your entry in the film industry? Now that you have made quite a few films, how frightening or how different is it from that world which you have left, or which you devote less time to now?
See, I run my business in America, so most of my software revenues come from US. So, of course, I make a lot of money there. So, the interest in coming into films is not just to make money. So, actually, along with Raja Saab, we are releasing our 50th movie, Glimpse. So, in the past 7-8 years, we are running at a 60th movie in production. So, definitely, we've learned a lot. We streamlined a lot of processes, though we say it's unorganized. We can do organized other than the core creative. So, definitely, doing a movie of this size and releasing it in a week, it gives you a lot of high, so which I don't get in my other business.
So you get money there, you get highs here.
Of course.
Hello everyone. Hello. This in the center. So my question is for Riddhi.
One second. And what's the budget of the film?
It's pretty large.
Of course, we can see that. How large is large?
It cannot add the number of zeros we know, but it's quite large.
So after he hired me, the budget went up even more actually.
So, Baman, you can tell us your charges. You tell us the budget before Baman.
Hi. So my question is for Riddhi. You've been a part of so many films, but ये आपके शायद करियर की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म है. इस फिल्म में आपने प्रभास, संजय सर और बमन सर के साथ काम किया है. तो how was your experience working with such big stars?
I feel like, as everybody is saying that the biggest star is somebody who is actually grounded and actually is in touch with reality, actually is just kind. So that was my experience. I was surrounded by the kindest people. I had the most wonderful co-actors to work with. I never even felt for a second that I'm relatively new, as compared to everyone else. In fact, they instilled so much confidence in me that I sit here today feeling absolutely, blissful about it. So my experience was amazing. My experience with every single individual on set, from Prabhas sir, who's been the kindest, sweetest person ever to meet with, to Maruti sir, who's been an incredible director. He's somebody who gives you so much freedom, to perform, to create your own characters, to come up with your own backstories, and just do your own things. And with Nidhi and Malvika as well, because they're such lovely people. And unfortunately, I didn't get the chance to work with Bowman sir, but hopefully next time.